So how's it going, everyone? Now today there was some decent volatility on the futures, and I definitely missed out on some pretty big moves. Now I still managed to find one nice trade on the NASDAQ market. It was a break and retest of previous high a day, and I got a few points in my favor, and I scaled out of the trade, and I held one runner, but then the market kind of rolled over and I got stopped out for a small loss. So overall the trade was just a small win, and then I just kind of sat on my hands and watched the rest of the morning. So that was the only trade I found. So enjoy the live trading. Going long here.
Order submitted.
It's kind of a break and a retest. I kind of want my target to be right around the overnight session highs.
Order filled. Order
Alright, I just took off 2 contracts. Let me go down to 1.
Order submitted.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it wants to pull in now. Not gonna lie. No, it's still gonna be a winning trade because we locked in 2 of the contracts. But here's what I'm gonna do: is put my profit target up at the, say, 44s.
Order submitted.
So it's either gonna hit my stop or take profit. I'm just gonna be patient.
Order filled.
Yeah, I was kind of expecting that to happen. So it's unfortunate that we only locked in just about $30. It's alright. I still kind of like that setup. It's a break and retest of the previous high. And we got a few points in our favor. I was really just hoping for a move up to pre-market highs. So now to break down this trade. Now here we have NQ on the 4-hour time frame, and I'm zoomed out quite a bit because I just want to show you that the overall market has been in a pretty strong uptrend. You know, I tried to short supply yesterday and on Friday, and it just didn't work out. The market kind of ripped through supply zones, and there really was not much opportunity to the downside. So now I'm going to go ahead and zoom into the 1-minute time frame to show you where I took my entry. So yeah, you can see right off the open, the market pretty much went straight down and created this pivot high right here. And then we had a pretty strong V recovery. The market went straight through high a day here. And you can see we had a big, strong green candle. And I waited for this pullback right here. It pulled back to the 9 EMA and closed above it. And yeah, you can see it right here. It basically retested high a day. So if I draw this little box here, it was a pretty nice break and retest to high a day. It really wasn't the cleanest pivot point. And looking back, I'm really not surprised that I didn't have much follow through, because I've been noticing that in this market lately, the continuation plays just have not been working as well. But I still got a few points out of it. So you can see right where this arrow is, that's where I went long with 3 contracts. Had my stop right below the wick of this candle, and I held through a little bit of chop before getting a move through a high a day. And then I was up a decent amount right here, and I took 2 contracts off right here. And then I set my stop, like I kept my stop in pretty much the same spot, and my profit target was going to be the pre-market highs up here, because my thoughts were we just kind of trapped the shorts right here and then squeezed them out here, and I thought we were going to get that continued move up towards the pre-market high. And yeah, that just didn't quite happen. You can see it after it made this little double top, it went down pretty hard on some pretty significant volume. So I was stopped out of my last contract right here. So I gave back a little bit of profit, but I'm not worried about it because it's not like it was a huge trade to begin with. So yeah, I mean, after that, it pretty much turned into a trend down day. See on SPY and ES, they're making lower lows and lower highs. Yeah, I guess I was just kind of on the wrong side of the market. Now there was a trade I missed on Tesla. I'm gonna go over a couple of these missed trades. I really have not been trading options too much, and yeah, it seems like lately the market has been just a little slow, and I think options just lose their value just too quickly, and I don't like losing to theta decay. But anyway, yeah, so Tesla was a little bit volatile this morning. And I had this zone down here that did work as a nice break and retest, and I really just didn't trust it, so I missed out on some downside here. And then yeah, NVIDIA, I had some trade opportunities that I missed out on. I had a zone down here that it's held like 4 times. It tested the zone pretty much like 3 or 4 times, and it's bounced off of it pretty much every single time. Yeah, if I zoom out to like the 1 hour, you can see this zone right here has just been previous highs from a few weeks back. And yeah, it's held it really well. So now if we go ahead and take a look at the Ninja Trader Apex account, we're sitting at basically 24-6. So we are still down on the challenge account. I really need a couple of nice big wins if I want to get back in the game. So, and yeah, my Weeble account is still the same, right around 430, 440, because I haven't taken any trades on this account this week. So yeah, not the most exciting video today, but I just wanted to make an update video on my Apex account just to kind of show you guys where I'm at. Now remember, it is a short week in the market. Friday is closed because of Good Friday. So yeah, I'm going to try to find some trades tomorrow and Thursday, and if I do, I will try to make a video. So yeah, hopefully I can get out another video this week. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.